Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top hodler on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFXBook third-party track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about GBPUSD. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing, so the big institutional speculators and how they are moving and shifting their orders. And then I will put together these two different types of analysis. So the multi-time frame top-down analysis with the order flow to see where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here for this pair. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market that at the moment is testing a quite strong historical monthly demand and support zone. In fact, from here, all these previous rejections to the upside were created. We can see how in multiple occasions the market has tested this exact same zone, and every single time we have seen massive rejections higher. Lately, we saw another test of this zone. Again, the market rejected to the upside, fueled by strong institutional buying. And again, we will speak about this buying in just a few moments when we move to the COT analysis. But what we can also notice is that in all this period, only once the market broke below the zone. But in that case, that clearly classifies as a fake breakout, because when you have a level that is acting as support and the market is respecting it as support over and over again, then you see just one time the market breaks below the zone, immediately breaks back above and continues respecting the area as support. The push to the downside is just a fake breakout because the market then continued respecting it as support. And in fact, that is exactly what we have here on GBPUSD. So from a monthly standpoint, more bullish price action could be expected away from this zone, especially because if we zoom in into the most recent price action, what we can see is that what we actually have here is a market which is trapped in a range. In fact, what we have is the top of the range that is currently acting as resistance and the bottom here of the range, which is currently acting as support. So we have a range-bound market stuck in between these two levels. And until the market will remain in between these two levels, we can expect to continue to see a test first of the high and then of the low, then of the high and then again of the low. Now, the last test was of the high of the range. Then we had the test of the low of the range, which is the current test, which is currently being rejected to the upside. And the next one would be a test of the high. So again, even from the range dynamic perspective, we could expect more bullish price action for the market to want to go and test what kind of liquidity we have here at the top of this monthly range. So let's keep all of this in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below if you have any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in the next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. From a weekly perspective, we can notice how we had the push to the downside, the test of the low, immediately the market pushed higher. What we can notice here is a candle with a green body and a very long wick. Usually when you see a candle like this, the next candle at least tries to fill in the wick. So that usually is because the impulse to the upside is basically created and the wick is then the correction. So on lower time frames, if on the weekly we have a candle like this, on lower time frames, for example on the daily, we will have an impulse and a correction, in which the correction is exactly the wick that we see here from a weekly standpoint. If we go down on the daily, we can see that that is in fact exactly the case. We can see how we have the impulse to the downside and the correction. And this correction is exactly that wick that we have just identified. What we can also notice is that from a structure standpoint, the market is testing exactly the previous daily resistance from which this push to the downside was created, which now that the market has broken it to the upside is turned support here. So the market is testing previous resistance turned support. And we can also notice that as we have an impulse and correction, if we want to measure this correction, we have to take our Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse leg. And this shows us how at the moment the market is in between the 50% and 0.618 retracements, which are also lining up perfectly with the previous resistance turn support. Now, what this creates here is a confluence of support because we have the Fibonacci retracement levels with the horizontal structure, so the previous resistance turn support, both in confluence in the same area of price. And that increases the probabilities of seeing even more institutional buying inside of this level. So in order to check what institutions are doing and if they are actually buying, we have to move to the commitment of traders. Now, if we're looking at the data for the GBP, we have to keep in mind that in that case, it means we are already looking at GBPUSD because all currencies on the spot are already traded against the USD. We can see how with the last report, we had 6.5K longs added just with the last report and an extra 10,100 shorts getting closed. So institutions are adding a lot of longs on the GBPUSD, closing a lot of shorts. Therefore, net positions are being increased massively. We went from minus 105.7K all the way up to minus 71K net positions. So institutions are moving back to the bullish side for GBPUSD. Let's keep that in mind and move back to the chart. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you'll find linked in the description, so you never miss new updates. Now, back to our analysis. So in this kind of situation, what would I expect? Well, of course, more institutional buying inside of here would increase the probabilities of seeing a rejection higher. But as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily time frames combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best time frames for that are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a potential rejection higher away from this area for the market to complete this daily impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're opened, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.